This is Kilasakona Waterfall. It is everlasting waterfall. Kilasakona Waterfall is located in Chittoor district in Nagari Hills. And in this waterfall, Lord Shiva worshipped after the marriage of Lord Venkateswara and goddess Padmavati Devi. And Lord Parameswara performed great worship of meditation here, and beside the waterfall there is a temple, and here we are going to dedicate this temple to Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati Devi. Here in this waterfall, water is crystal clear and we have medicinal properties, and surrounding of the hills are known for beauty, and it's a great waterfall.